students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Shri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NITK graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is to find integration of x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. So we can solve this using a partial fraction method. So partial fraction method, first we can directly solve this using our logics. We can divide this. We are supposed to divide into two partial fractions, means something divided by x plus 1 and something divided by x plus 2, correct? So how we will do? First we will try to do it using our logic. So what we can do? We can, on this x, we can either add plus 2 or minus 2 or add plus 1 minus 1, so that one of this term will cancel out. So x plus 1 minus 1 we are doing. It is still the same thing, right? X plus 1 minus 1 is still the same thing. But now if we will divide this into two partial fraction like this, x plus 1 and 1, then this x plus 1 term will get cancelled out. So this is equals to integration x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 minus times 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx, correct? Now this 2 will cancel out, correct? So we are left with integration 1 divided by x plus 2, and here again what we will do, since it is 1, we can write this 1 as x plus 2 minus x minus 1. See, if you calculate this, it is still the 1, but now we can divide this entire thing into perfectly partial fraction. So this is x plus 1, x plus 2, and outside we have dx. So how we are dividing, like x plus 2, and here minus 1 will take common, so this will become x plus 1, correct? Now next step, what we can do, this is equals to integration 1 upon x plus 2 minus times x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2, and minus will become plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx, correct? Now again x plus 2 cancel out, x plus 1 will cancel out, and 1 upon x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 2, 2 times 1 upon x plus 2. So 2 times 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Now this integration, we know already how to do this. This is 1 upon x form, means we can the direct integration of this will be in terms of log. So integration of 2 upon x plus 2 will be 2 will be constant, so it will come outside, and x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 2 integration will be log of x plus 2, correct? And similarly for this, minus sign will be outside, and 1 upon x plus 1, integration of 1 upon x plus 1 will be log of 1 x plus 1. Now this will go inside the log, means this will become a log of x plus 2 whole square, means x plus 2 whole square, not log of x plus 2 whole square, okay? So this is log of x plus 2 square minus log of x plus 1. Now using properties of log, we can write this as log of x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1. So this is our final answer, and plus c, since it is indefinite integration. Now there is a short trick as well. Short trick for what? Short trick to find this partial fraction. How we can do? So short trick we can do like this. We are supposed to divide into something upon x plus 1 and something upon x plus 2, means x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be written as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2, correct? And only a and b, we are supposed to find values of a and b. How we will do? So we will take LCM here. So what we will get? X is equals to, this will multiply with a, so it will become a into x is equals to a into x plus 2, and this will multiply with b, so plus b into x plus 1, and in denominator multiplication of this 2 means x plus 1 into x plus 2. This will cancel out on both the sides, correct? Now this term, this entire term will become 0 when x is equal to minus 2, correct? x is equals to minus 2, this term will become 0, and x is equals to minus 1 when we will put, then this term will become 0 for x is equals to minus 1. So once in this equation we will put minus 2 so that this will become 0 and we can find the value of b, and other time we can in this equation we'll put minus 1 so that this term will become 0 and we can find the value of a. See how we'll find value of a. To find value of a, we need x is equals to minus 1, correct? So if we will put x is equals to minus 1, this is equals to minus 1 is equals to a into 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and this term will become 0. So a into 1 is equals to minus 1, means a is equals to minus 1. Similarly, we can find b. To find b, a is x is equals to, we'll put as minus 2. So minus 2 is equals to 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1, means minus 1, means b into minus 1, b into minus 1, and x is equals to minus 2. That means b is equals to 2. So this partial fraction we can write it as minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 2. See, this is what fraction we got here, minus 1 divided by x plus 1 and 2 divided by x plus 2. So we can solve this directly using this partial fraction method. And other thing, if we don't, we can skip this step as well. If we are preparing for competitive, we are supposed to write as much, we are supposed to solve the question in as small time as possible. So what we can do to find the value of a, below a there is x plus 1, means x is equals to, for x is equals to minus 1, we can find the value of a. So in this side, we will hide this same term here, and in the other thing, we'll put x is equals to minus 1, means minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So a is equals to minus 1. Similarly, when we are finding b, we'll put x is equals to minus 2 here by hiding this x plus 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So minus 2 divided by minus 1 will become 2. So b is equals to 2. So this is the other method to solve this question quickly, and this is the long method that we can use in our board to get our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.